In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collections in Shopify. Collections are groups of products that make it easier for your customers to browse your store. So setting them up properly is really important. Let's walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a fully configured collection ready to go. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. This is your main control center, where you manage everything from products to orders and settings. On the left-hand side, look for the menu and click on Products. This is where all of your items live. Once you're in the Products section, you'll see an option called Collections. Go ahead and click on Collections to open the Collections page. From here, you'll see a list of any existing collections and a button to create a new one. Click on Add Collection. This will open a new page where you can set up all the details for your collection. At the top, type in your collection title. Choose something clear and descriptive, like Summer Sale or New Arrivals, so customers immediately know what to expect. Just below that, add a description. This is a good place to explain what's in the collection, highlight any special offers, or include details that help your customers make a decision. Next, scroll to the Products section and click on Browse. A list of your existing products will appear. Click on each product you want to include in this collection. You can select multiple items at once. When you're happy with your selection, click on Add to attach those products to the collection. Now, scroll down to the Search Engine Listing Preview section. Click on the pen icon to edit your SEO settings. In the page title field, type in the title you want to appear on Google and other search engines. Keep it concise but include important keywords that describe the collection. In the description field, add a short summary that explains what this collection is about. This helps with visibility and makes your listing more appealing in search results. Next, go to the image section and click on Add Image. Choose an image that represents the collection, then click on the one you want to use. Once selected, click Done. This image often shows up as the collection thumbnail on your storefront, so pick something clear and on brand. When everything looks good, move to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Shopify will create your collection with the products, SEO,